Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix integrated camera on Windows 11. So if you want to fix the integrated camera on Windows 11, I will tell you how to do it. I will show you all the steps you have to follow, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's watch it.